What's going on YouTube? Murderkiss is back here. This beautiful area. Luscious little private property, whatever this is. Some neighborhood. Here's the beam. Added a Marine Corps sticker. Shout out to all the Marine Corps people out there. And let's just get straight in, guys. So, this is it. I'm gonna start the engine. Gosh, I love that sound. So I'm gonna just start this video off by just saying, you know, thank you to everyone watching these. Really appreciate it. I think I just crossed 2,200 subscribers. So big shout out to all those new people subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. We're on a road to 10K, guys. It's my goal for this summer. Hopefully we can get to 10K. And you know, keep making Beamer content. Guys, this car is just nuts. Just pulls so hard. It just wants to go and go and go. Beautiful area though. Whatever this neighborhood is, man. I mean, look at the Zillow on these houses. 10700 South Glen Road, man. That house is definitely a couple mil. Feels so good. But guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick POV. Just give everyone like an update on my car, on my plans and stuff. As you can see, I got the radar back in the car. Very essential in the 3 Series. I just took it into BMW. Shout out BMW, man, of Rockville. They really took care of me. They gave me a lift. I wasn't old enough to get the renter 325, turning 21 in August. So I wasn't old enough to get the rental. But man, did the news cars look sweet. I was looking at them. I didn't have my camera on me. I should have, but I think they had like an X5M package one. That was really sweet looking. And they just treat you really well. I was telling them about the car and stuff, and I got a bunch of factory, like the airbag I got replaced. Some other stuff I got replaced too. I think they put a new emblem on the steering wheel, which I'm happy. It looks really clean. Wow, that person has a video of them backing out of the driveway. That's the area I'm in right now, guys. I mean, these people are chilling. But please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. My name's Murderkiss. I post car content. I'm gonna post some other stuff too when I have the time. But right now, as of right now, I'm just posting BMW content. I really enjoy it. Added new bump stops to the car, so the suspension's much more comfier. Actually very comfy, might I add. It's kind of in like a back road area. This thing is sweet on the back road, guys. This car is amazing on the back road. Just the handling you get is insane. Just if you saw that turn, I was probably going at like almost 40, yeah, and I could have gone a little harder, but I have my GoPro on, so I'm not trying to lose control, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be careful of that road. It's a little beat right there. Man, this thing is amazing, guys. Just pulls. Like I press my foot down, I'm gone. I'm I'm literally gone. Like, see ya. That's what it feels like. But very planted, very safe, like very stable. If I did this in my Prius, it would not feel as good. That's all I gotta say. I'll have to do a Prius video for you guys. I mean, Prius actually gets a lot of views on my channel. Shout out all my Prius viewers if you're watching this video. But BMW, man, them Germans, they just, oh my god, like this straightaway, just fly through it. Just hear that. I love the sound of this inline 6 BMW makes. Sounds so good. Very distinct from Mercedes. There's more of a whiny sound. This is more like music to my ears. Nothing wrong with Mercedes. I love them, but this inline 6, man, I mean, it has some character. That was the E63 wagon. I know that guy's chilling. Sweet little car. Beautiful day out, guys. I mean, it's like luscious. It just rained a lot, but wow, is it nice out. All these people have gated cribs. Uh-oh, there's a squirrel. What is he doing? Yeah, squirrel's good. Nation. It's a nice road back here, guys. Tesla truck. Alright guys, I'm gonna do one last pull, and just like this video, subscribe to my channel, guys. It really helps me out. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. Hopefully I can get a nice little pull in right here. It's 4th gear. And we gone. We gone. Hey, like this video, guys. I love you. Peace.